Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Eldorado.gg discount codes. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different ways how to do this. So the first site we need to head to is Eldorado.gg blog Eldorado discount codes. So on here, we can go ahead and scroll down and find the latest discount code. So that's going to be near the top of the page here. Now, the next site is called Worth the Penny. So if we go to eldorado.worththepenny.com/coupon, we can go ahead and see all the different discount codes here. So if we want to go ahead and check out today's best offer, it's going to be at the top, and they also got a verified badge here as well with a success rate. So this one here says save up to 30% on Eldorado discount code. So to activate it, simply click onto it, and now it should give you the discount code or show the code. So click on that again, and here it is here. So that's a discount code to save 30%. Now the next site is called WeThriftit.com. So go to WeThriftit.com/Eldorado, and if we scroll down here, it's going to give you different discount codes. And like before, we can go ahead and click onto any of the codes to check it out and copy the code. As you can see here, I've copied this code, and this code was for 1% off the best Eldorado discount code. So another cool thing about WeThriftit, we can go ahead and show the community activity. So you can see this WeThriftit was used last 2 hours ago. Eldorado discount code was reported working by shoppers a day ago. So yeah, you can go ahead and scroll down and check out all the different codes on this site for Eldorado. Now these codes do change daily, weekly, monthly, so be sure to check them out at later dates. They might have even better discount codes or these free sites.